Last year, I felt like Samsung barely upgraded its Fold 6. Now the Fold 7 is out. Let's get into it. When it unfolds, it's the slimmest tablet I've ever held. If you have used any of the other foldables, you see the difference. It is the thinnest foldable ever, thinner than the Oppo Find N5 and Honor Magic P5. It is 4.2mm thin when unfolded and 8.9mm thin when folded. It is slightly thicker than the S25 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but it weighs less than them at 215 grams. It also folds better than every other foldable and has less crease than the others. It has the new Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is in the S25 Ultra, even though it will not perform as well as it due to lesser cooling and other factors, but it still has a premium processor. It comes with Wi-Fi 7, 5G, Android 16, and 7 years of update, which means you are likely to get Android 23 according to Samsung. It has the Adreno 830 GPU, meaning proper gaming performance. As for storage, it comes in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of storage. As for the RAM, it comes in 12GB and 16GB RAM variant. The battery is a 4400 mAh cell. The outer display is a 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED display, while the inner display is an 8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. They are both 120Hz and LTPO and have 2600 nits of peak brightness. Now, the Fold 7 does not support S Pens, and please do not use it on your phone as it can also damage the screen display. Do not use any external stylus for the phone. As for the build quality, it's showing to be pretty durable. After watching Jerry rig everything's video and seeing his bench test, it has proven to be a very durable foldable phone, even though it's very thin. But please do not try and bend yours. As for the audio on the Z Fold 7, they have drastically improved sound quality on the newer foldable phones, and it has proven to be a win from Samsung's end. This is one of the best sounding phones from them.
That's them again. At their own dropping September event, they reviewed the brand new iPhone 17 lineup, and trust me, this year is different. You didn't just get the usual upgrades, you got a bold redesign.
Now, should you buy it? This is by far the best folded phone out there, and it has almost achieved the final goal of folded phones, being the best and premium phone that can also fold in half from a tablet form factor. Now, the only compromise of this phone is the battery life. It's not terrible, but you can't compare it to the battery life of that of an S25 Ultra iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is the end goal, to be complete in every aspect, but just being able to fold in half also. But should you buy it? Yes, please do. This is currently the best foldable out there from multiple points of view. So if you are asking me, should you buy it? Yes, you should. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe.